This video is about 10 foods to cleanse and detox your liver. Today, the large majority of individuals have overworked livers due to toxin exposure from environmental toxins, beauty and personal care products, chronic stress, overconsumption of processed foods, and drinking unfiltered water. These toxins can build up in our system, contributing to a number of physical and mental health problems. So here are top 10 foods that cleanses the liver. Garlic and onions. Both consist of sulfur compounds which are essential for supporting liver and activating enzymes that are responsible for flushing out the toxins and waste from the body. Citrus fruits. Lemons, orange, grapefruit, amla has high vitamin C and antioxidants which support the natural cleansing abilities of the liver. Turmeric. Turmeric root is your liver's best friend. It is anti-inflammatory and rich in antioxidants which help to repair the liver cells, protect against cell damage and helps in detoxification. Leafy green vegetables. Most powerful friend in cleansing the liver is leafy green vegetables which can be eaten raw or cooked. These are extremely high in chlorophyll which soak up environmental toxins from the blood and help detoxify the liver. Apples. Apples are high in pectin, polyphenols, which keep lipid levels of the liver under control. Apples have anti-inflammatory properties that protect you against fatty liver and helps cleanse your liver. Tomato. Tomato promotes the activation of digestive and liver enzymes to keep liver activity good and helps in cleansing the liver. Avocados. Not only do avocados taste great, but they also help the body to produce glutathione, the body's most potent antioxidant and detoxifier. Glutathione helps your body to rid itself of unwanted toxins. Beetroots and carrots. Beetroots and carrots contains betalains and cyanins which protect the liver from injury and its juice or smoothie helps in detoxifying liver. Walnuts. Walnuts have omega-3 fatty acids which help to get rid of toxin elements to cleanse and make healthy liver. Lentils. Their detox properties normalize the blood sugars, protect against the cancer and also cleanses your liver to make you healthy.